Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here, back with another video. If you not watched my last video, then I'll just recap. Basically, I'm getting all my services done and stuff for my car, my dad's car. So, got fuel filters, everything, cabin filters, air filters. So yeah, so this is for my dad's car. This is the Bosch R2304 cabin filter. So this is the one that filters your air that comes in through your vents into the cabin, so you don't get any bad smells, any leaves, anything, stuff like that. Like when I open my one up, there's so much dust and leaves and stuff in it. So when if you not checked that video, I'll go check it out. I've got a video on it in my playlist somewhere. It wasn't that far behind, I don't think. Maybe a couple of months. But yeah, definitely miles better after I changed it. It got rid of that musky smell that always in the car, and it just probably makes it better to breathe. Okay, so cabin filter. Bosch is a really good German brand, so I respect them. So okay, picture is only for legal reasons. Yep, there you go. Chevrolet or Opel. Opel is also known as Vauxhall, so well in the UK. So this will fit that. Okay, clean air in your vehicles. Bosch Cabin Air Filters. Remove. This is a carbon one, by the way, not paper one. So this was quite good. 100% of all dust and dirt, as well as pollen and bacteria. Activated carbon filters additionally absorb 90% of all harmful odorous gases, ozone, smog, and exhaust fumes. So yeah, that's really good. Let's have a look inside. Wow. Also guys, we've got a Seat Leon coming very soon. I think I've mentioned it before, so you'll be seeing that. It's not a new one, but it's the old one, but we're going to do a lot of work to it, so you get to see that. And we might be getting a Golf R soon, so you will see some videos on that, hopefully. And the reason I might be getting a stage 1 remap and a stage 2 remap, I was gonna get stage 2, but then my insurance would go high up because I'm still on my first year of driving. So yeah, so basically I can't get stage 1 even till at least the end of the year, I think, which is horrible. So yeah, but the reason I want one is because I drove the Mark 6 Golf R, and then when I went back to my own car, the 122 horsepower Golf, I was like, what the hell? It felt like my car was lagging. That's how it just felt slow. So now I want more power with the economy, I guess. Stage 1 remap puts the power to 145, I think, but I should be able to get more if I do stage 2, and you get more torque as well. So this is the cabin air filter. It's carbon one, that's why it's grey. It's a bit bent, but it'll be alright. So this is the carbon air filter. Paper on the edges. There you go. Pet hair, everything, airflow. So the air flows through this to the bottom there. So there you go. There's the fins. It's got tiny holes in them, if you can see, to let air flow through. Because this will catch everything. Literally, there's no hole in these. Can you see that? So the air will literally flow through these dots. That's pretty cool. I like that. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already, and check out my car playlist. I got loads of new car videos coming up, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.